friends, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. Well, I started without you, as you can plainly see. I have Decoart satin enamels, and I mixed it with the shell art recipe, and it did some amazing things. And I tried it also as a cell activator. This don't work. The cell activator does not work. But I'll show you one little tile. I did 3 or 4, so this one turned out pretty cool. This was tilted, it wasn't spun, but I have an idea. And I have no gloves on once again. Oh geez, I'm almost out of paint here. Well, I'm not out. I just got a whole big can of, oh, I should have put some water in this because it's been thick. You know what I'm gonna do? There we go. Okay. Oh, jeez. Oh, I just mixed up some white cell activator and I just spilled most of it. Well, maybe that means I don't need to use as much. Guys, I'm gonna have to get some more paint. Oh, wait a minute, let me see. Scrape this out. There's one tile I did, it turned out real pretty, but it might crack because it's got too much paint on it. So I don't know if maybe I'll just spread this a little bit. So look how thick it is. Yeah, I'm gonna need more paint. And I'm trying to do like a black beach sort of thing here. Let's see if it works. I don't usually do this, but popping some bubbles. Now I have all interference colors. I may as well use them all. Okay, this is, which one do I want to put down first? Yeah, this is Twinkle. See, it might be enough paint because I've got paint here. Okay. This is Glisten, and this is, what is this? Twinkle, Glisten, and oh geez, they're right here. Sequins. That might be sequins that I've got down there, yes. Okay. Glisten I'm gonna put right at the bottom because I want it to, I might put it both top and bottom. Get rid of that black line. And then I'm gonna put down satin enamels in the shell art recipe. I'm gonna try and create some waves here. And then this is Amsterdam greenish blue cell activator. And then this is Amsterdam white cell activator. Let's see what we get here. Might be pretty. Hoping. And I'm just gonna blow it up. Blow it up! All right. Oh, what a mess I've made. Whoopsie. All right, here we go. High fan. Cool. blow the rest out with my mouth if I have to. Well, that's interesting. There's certainly enough paint. As a matter of fact, let me... like it, I do. So these 12-inch tiles, I usually finish with either a foam backing or cork backing. I've also, I can put a hook in the back so you can hang it outside after it's resined. I know I said the R word. Ugh. Oh, you know what I might do? Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Where's my palette knife? There it is. Oh, my favorite. What? Because I can't be happy with just that. So I've got the blue cell activator. I've got it on my palette knife. Actually, I need to pour it on. There we go. Pour it on, take it off. Give it some more interest here. Birdie! Yep, I like it. And see how that the satin enamels are coming up. They're really, it's really pretty. Those cells. Yeah, there's barely any blue that you can see. So, very cool. I'm gonna get rid of it. It's not over till it's over. I like it. And those interference colors are so pretty. What do you guys think? Maybe one more over here. No, right there. All right. perfect. It's just sinking right into that. Pretty. Look at all that. Oh my goodness. Very, very cool. Glad I did this. Now I can't stop. Oh, raccoon. It always startles me when that happens. It's not the wind, because there's no wind tonight. Now that's looking a lot better. It's bringing out those cells. The interference piggies. Aha! Who's out there? Is that your cousin? Huh. Sometimes when Vinny comes in, that happens. Oh, that is pretty. All right, guys, I'm gonna take you guys down for a close-up after I clean this mess up. I'll be back. Oh, let me put it straight. There we go. I'll be back. All right, guys. I'm in love with this. Oh. TLPs, I love you. Yeah. So that's, oh, look at that. I'm calling this one Black Beach. So pretty darn happy. I hope it dries well. Yeah, and I'm glad I brought some more cell activator over this. That glisten right there. Isn't that cool? And that's next to Sequins. Yeah. Just, I love it. Love it. This was my favorite of the night. Then over here, we have like a bloom. And the glisten, look at that. Just gorgeous. I love that color. Could have done more here. I put gold in here as well, like gold cell activator. It didn't do much. So yeah, those are kind of wonky right there. Put my palette knife through there too. The glisten seems to show up more than the others. Well, I shouldn't say that. There's Sequins. Sequins or Twinkle. So, an experiment, and that's with the Decoart satin enamels. It really, is that a bug? No, I think that, no, that's just part of the painting. Okay. I'm just, yeah, I'm in awe of this one. Just in awe. All right, guys, so please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe, and ciao for now. Oh, I forgot to give you a close-up of that one. That's pretty special, too. It's cosmic. All right, on that note, we'll let you go for tonight. Please be safe. Seriously, it's COVID's coming back. Ugh. Anyhow, yeah, be safe. Talk to you soon.